Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block we got chicken wings. These chicken wings, I'm going to be making you some Frank's Red Hot fried chicken wings with some Frank's Red Hot seasoning. Okay, and this is about a family pack. Okay, I got some flour right here. This is probably like about 2.5 cups of flour right there. Okay, now when you make this, guys, do not put any salt or nothing in your seasoning. Okay, like in your bag of flour. So we're gonna just sprinkle a little of this on here, and you want this to marinate, guys, for at least a good hour. Okay, I'm gonna put a little seasoning on here. Not a whole lot, because the hot sauce got its own seasoning. So I want to say about a little tablespoon. Alright, I think that should be enough. And we'll test it out and see how good it's really going to be. If I can put this lid back on here. Alright, here we go. Alright, so we want to just put this seasoning to the side, this flour. We're just going to get in here with our hands and mix this up. This is like 1.5 cups of Frank's Frank's Buffalo, not Buffalo, but Frank's original you just want to mix this up, guys. Yep, Frank's Red Hot sauce. I'll let this submerge in here for about a good hour. And this is what we got right here. Okay? Heavy too. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and put a lid on this and let this sit up for about a good hour in the fridge. And then we'll start frying this stuff up. This should be good. I ain't gonna even lie to you, because I cooked with hot sauce before, fried food with hot sauce. But I did taste this. This got a lot of sodium in it. Okay, so be careful. So don't be going putting extra seasoning unless you like salty food. Okay. All right, guys. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Just trying to put my glove back on. All we're gonna do here is just bread this up. I'm cooking mine today whole. Sometimes you like to go old school. Seems like it tastes better when you go old school. I mean, like the whole wing. You guys remember when your mama used to fold them wings up? Who out there still folding up their wings? I haven't folded mine in years. So yeah, guys, don't forget, if you guys want to win that new wave oven, you got to cash at me $5, and in 2 weeks I'm gonna be doing the drawing, and I'm on the up and up. I'm not playing with people's money and stuff like that, so I'm not trying to get no money. I'm just figuring, you know, if you guys want to win a new wave oven, and I'm telling you, you're gonna love it, then all you have to do is just cash at me for $5. You can do it many times as you want to. Okay, I'm gonna do like 6 of these at a time. I don't want all my flour to get mushy. Try to get all this sauce on there. Yep. Frank's Red Hot Fried Chicken Wings. Got 2 more to go, and then I'm gonna go take these over there and fry these bad boys up. It's a big monster wing right there, man. Ooh-wee. This bad boy. Okay guys, see you guys over there by the deep fry. See you in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Just want to shake out some of this excess. Just drop them bad boys in there. We're going to cook these bad boys for about good 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes at 375. Oh no, this is 350. And then I'll show you how they look. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I am back. There it is right here. Frank's Red Hot Fried Chicken Wings. Show you guys how that looks up close. Nice and golden brown. Yeah, this plate heavy. I know I say that all the time, don't I? Yeah. Right here. From my home to yours. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a like, a share, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to, that's right, hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG'S Kitchen. And I'm out.